What if your alarm clock could fight back? Picture this, it's 6 a.m., your alarm goes off, and you instinctively hit snooze, but instead of giving you 5 more minutes, your alarm clock grows tiny boxing gloves and punches you right in the face. You hit snooze again? Now it's doing uppercuts. Third snooze, your alarm has called backup. Your coffee maker is throwing hot water. Your toaster is launching bread missiles, and your phone is playing you the most annoying ringtone at full volume. By the fourth snooze, your entire kitchen has formed an alliance against your laziness. Maybe just get up the first time. Your appliances are watching.